Kate here with WTI, and the shower head from UCLIMAA is the perfect addition to our outdoor shower. I absolutely love everything about it. It has two different shower heads. So one is a handheld and then the other of course is stationary. Each of them have so many different settings and stream patterns. It makes it great for however you prefer your shower to feel. Very easy to adjust. It has a three-way diverter, so of course you can use it with either of these two heads. You can also use this spout on the top. It shoots out like a jet, perfect for cleaning. I love how we can use it to get all the debris off the floor of our shower. This one is in a really nice matte black finish. They do come in other finishes as well. It's super easy to install. Honestly, you just attach it to your existing plumbing, screw it on. It is so simple. If the walls of your shower happen to not be made of wood, then you can also section the bottom here. This piece glides up and down the bar so you can choose your perfect height. The handheld part also has a really nice reach so you can reach all the areas in your shower. It comes with an extra piece you can put in to adjust your pressure as well. So if you're looking for an awesome shower head, this one obviously we're using outdoors, but you can use it inside as well. It is beautiful, it works super well, so many different features that I know you're gonna love, and that's my point of view.